Hi there, students. To exacerbate and to exasperate. Exacerbate, exasperate. To exacerbate means to worsen, to aggravate, to make more serious. To exasperate or to exasperate means to annoy, to frustrate, to infuriate. And don't mix the two, okay? So, to exacerbate, to make stronger, to make more serious. Let's see, I think with exacerbate you could have a noun, exacerbation. But I think exacerbate is most commonly used as a verb. So, for example, the development of the third world is exacerbating global warming. It's making it more serious. Exasperate. Exasperation, a noun. That's quite common as well. Exasperating makes you feel frustrated. Exasperated, frustrated. So the rush hour traffic was really heavy, and many of the drivers were exasperated. Yeah, they felt growing exasperation. Okay, exacerbate, make worse, make more serious. If you have a mosquito bite, it itches. Woo. But if you scratch it, normally it exacerbates the itch, makes you more serious. Exasperate, to anger, to vex, to madden. So the baby had been crying all night, and by the morning both parents were exasperated. The crying had been exasperating the parents. Exacerbate, to aggravate. His run-down physical condition exacerbated the symptoms of the disease. They made them stronger. Exasperate, frustrate. The slow, cumbersome administrative process exasperated many of the applicants. Exacerbate, make more serious. The poverty of the country, or the poverty in the country, had been exacerbated by a civil war. Exasperate. The constant interruptions in the lesson left me feeling exasperated. Okay, so if something gets worse and worse and you become more and more frustrated, it could exacerbate your exasperation. Now, let's look at the etymology of these two words. Exacerbate comes from, well, they both come from Latin, comes from acerbus, meaning bitter. For example, an acerbic comment. Exacerbatus, to make more bitter, so to make more serious. And exasperate or exasperate comes from asperus, rough. Exasperare, to make more rough, to make angry. Okay, so the native British speakers speak incredibly fast, and this exacerbates the difficulties students have in understanding them. Maybe it exacerbates students to the point where they become exasperated because they don't understand and they just wish the person would slow down. Okay, so exacerbate, aggravate, worsen, make stronger. exasperate, to frustrate, to make more and more frustrated, angry, annoyed. So what about formality? I think both of these words, maybe they're ever so slightly formal. Maybe exacerbate, I'd give a 6, and exasperate a 5.5. But you can use both of them in an informal conversation, and I think they both sound really good in a very formal writing, so they're nice and flexible. They're both regular verbs. Exacerbate, exacerbated, exacerbated. Exasperate, exasperated, exasperated. Don't confuse the two and don't mix the meanings. So if I continue with this video, you're going to become exasperated. I'm pretty sure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Exacerbate and exasperate.